Alright, we're on a project with Eagle Creek Modular. So they build each one of these units. There's 9 of them total. They build each one of these in a factory and then ship them out to site. And for schools that need extra space, they're pretty valuable to get some more classroom space. And it's a different building methodology. So built in a factory, and then they bring them out and they set them on these CMU blocks on ABS pads, and then strap them down around the perimeter. So what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll check and make sure that all of the pads and blocks have adequate capacity, design these tie downs to make sure that nothing's going to blow away in the wind. So you got a couple things that you got to worry about. For lateral here in Colorado, it's mostly wind. You got other areas of the country like California, anywhere along the West Coast that has high seismic, and those help stabilize in high seismic areas. So we're just going around right now, checking on everything. There's a couple changes that we're asking them to make, but overall things are pretty good. And it is August 4th today. School's coming up pretty quick, so they were able to build this whole thing in about 2 weeks. From flying it in with the crane, getting it off of the trucks, having it installed, and then they'll be ready for school in just a few weeks. So we'll do a follow-up video. We can show the inside at some point too. Structural engineering isn't too crazy with these, but it's all about speed and getting things done quickly.